Woodland Academy Trust is an amazing place to work. We're 5 primary schools across Bexley and Kent.
We are one-to-one iPad across all of our schools, and Pearswood, one of our schools, has just become an Apple Distinguished School.
iPad is absolutely part of the DNA across all of our schools.
So why Apple and why iPad?
It's really easy for children to learn and to understand how to use them.
Gives you that mobility to be up and around and reimagining the learning environment. And it creates a really good platform for children to be creative and think about the collaborative ways that they approach their learning.
Good morning, everyone. Can you open up Magma onto your iPads, please?
We looked at apps that had been developed specifically for education. We had a demonstration of Magma Maths, and I went back to our Director of Education and said, I've just seen probably the best new educational app that I've ever seen on the market in a long time. We need to be exploring this.
What's particularly good about Magma is that you can see they're working out, so how they've come to an answer.
I love how many different ways there are to use it.
I like the bit where you can add shapes and different colours.
There's like a little bot that tells you a hint to work out, so it makes it a little bit easier.
You can do your own working out at your own speed.
It's really fun because it's different ways to learn.
It allows the teacher to be free and in the moment in the classroom, really working with the students and doing what they do best and what they came into the profession to do.
I feel like it's making me a better teacher because I can quickly identify those children who are struggling, and then we can do a quick mini plenary. Okay, let's come back together and see how we are doing. Has anyone struggled with any questions? We can go over a question, and that's where I can show the heat map. We can see where they've gone wrong, and we'll go through it and work through it together. I've got one more step to do for this question. What is my final step? It's just made such a difference.
The impact on the children's faces, they're so engaged with it.
And when they get that light bulb moment, it's just amazing to see. Does anyone want to come and show how we would work this question out?
I am not a techie.
Absolutely not. There is nothing techie about me at all.
My husband finds it hilarious that the whole digital strategy is mine because he says I break the television every time I turn it on.
When you're looking at digital development in education, it's about really good teaching and learning, so it's not about being a techie, it's how the technology can support the outcomes for the children.
We chose to work with Sync because they really understand our vision and they are also passionate about making a difference in education.
It's not a one-size-fits-all model that they're trying to put on you.
And that's what we want from our partners, not just somebody who will sell us devices.
If it's professional development advice that we're looking for, sourcing a new product or licenses for something, we can just give them a call and they're straight on it.
iPad and Magma is a game changer.
Everything is so much easier.
It has really opened up the maths understanding.
It's completely revolutionised the way that we focus on teaching in the classroom.
Magma is the best.
It's amazing.
Makes maths fun too.